All right, hi. Just give me a sec. Right. Hi, it's me, Chantal. So I kept my job from last time, which is just great, isn't it? And, so lippy on my teeth. Right, is it okay? All right, we're good. Okay, we're fine now. So yeah, if you remember, I'm Chantal and I'm new, and I did such a good job last time that you guys actually said to Refashionista Sheri, you'd like to see me again. So here I am. Hooray! I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Because as I said before, I really need this job. So I'm so grateful to you. Anyway, let's just jump right in. We're doing another throw time for Refashionista Sheri, and this one's a little bit longer. It's a little bit longer. But here's what this person says, and this person is Naomi. Right, okay, so Naomi says, love your videos, but it's so annoying when you try to sell your books and stuff. We only watch you for the free tutorials, not to buy your crap. Your channel has ads, so you get paid more than enough from YouTube. Stop pushing us to buy what we don't want and be happy we watch you at all. Oh my God, that's right. I don't even know what to say about that, because that's just crazy. First of all, very long comment, right? Second of all, is that true? Do you guys only watch Refashionista Sheri because it's free tutorials? That's it. That's the only reason, because it's free. The person starts out saying she loves her videos though. And then her big problem is that Sheri mentions sometimes that she has some other stuff for sale. Yeah, that's because, YouTube doesn't pay anything. It doesn't pay the bills, you know. A little bit of home truth here for Naomi. Refashionista Sheri's been doing this for just over a decade now. And just last year, so just over a year, last June 2022, she was monetized. So for that whole time before that, for over 9 years, she was doing it for free. And the same over on her blog. She does it for free. Literally nothing. No money's coming from that. And if you want to even try to say she makes anything, well, you know what? She took a screenshot of her most recent money there. And this shows, okay, this is the back end of her channel. You can see it's her. It's Refashionista Sheri, Confessions of a Refashionista. It's the back end of her channel. And if we do a close-up, we can see that is for the last 28 days is $137.66 Canadian. That's it. So for about a month, she gets between $130 and $140 dollars Canadian. So it's not a lot of money. Can you live on that? Where do you live in the world that you can live on $130 a month, paying your rent and your bills and feeding your family, take care of your kid, all this stuff? Can you do it for 140 quid, $140, sorry, Canadian dollars? No, I don't think you can. So let's just stop that right now. And most YouTubers, like the big ones who are getting any kind of big money, they're not getting it from YouTube. Although, of course, you get more money, the more views you get, which if you notice, Refashionista Sheri doesn't get a lot of views on videos. She averages about 200. That's not very many at all. It's nothing. It's nothing. Which is why it's so important for you guys to engage and like and share. Get more and more people watching and enjoying her videos and subscribing, and then maybe she can make a little bit more money. But other than that, $130 is nothing. It's nothing, right? It's nothing. And if you think it is, well, I want to know where you live, that it's so cheap, because it's not cheap where she is. You know, $130 is nothing. That's not even covering her mobile phone bill, because in Canada, it's like one of the highest for mobile phones. So that's terrible. And you know what? She has to do all the work behind the scenes too. So it's a lot of work for nothing, really. For nothing. And so her trying to sell her courses or her eBooks or the stuff she makes, you know, give her a little bit of a break here, maybe. And if you guys do want to support her, there's so many different ways to do it that don't cost anything at all. You know, like I said, sharing, liking, engaging on all of her platforms, it all does it. It all helps a little bit. But if you do want to support her, join this channel. It's super cheap. Join her on Patreon. Buy her ebooks. They're super cheap. Take her course. It's awesome and it's not expensive at all for what you're getting. Is it? No, it's not. Anyway, so I hope, you know, that cleared things up a little bit for Naomi. You know, she doesn't make a lot of money at all. YouTube does not pay the bills here. Not at all. And the amount of work that goes on behind the scenes and goes on to making the videos and everything, it's definitely not worth it. She's definitely not doing it for the money, right? $130, $140 is not enough per month for the amount of hours and days that per month that go into putting out, you know, say 10 to 12 videos a month. That's a lot. That's a lot. Anyway, so yeah, I hope that cleared things up a little bit, gave you a little bit of a peek behind the scenes. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and we'll catch you on the zigzag. I remembered it that time. I remembered it, I did.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.